So I'm using these Dollar Tree popsicle sticks, and I just went ahead and cut one randomly, and now I'm just lining both of these up, and I'm just going to cut off that end piece. I'm just going to line it back up and cut this other end off. That way you have two identical pieces. You can also cut this into any shape that you prefer. And now I'm just going to cut along the edges just to match up the shape. And this is what it should look like. And now I'm just going to take this white chalk paint and I'm just going to paint all of the shapes. And now I'm just taking some Mod Podge to seal the paint. And now I'm going to take this super glue adhesive and I'm just going to put this on the shape, spread it out with the paintbrush. I'm just going to hot glue the shapes onto the back pieces. Now I'm just taking this ornament and I'm going to glue it onto one of the coasters. And this was such a quick, easy DIY, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.